In Dollar Tree. Yes. Was like, I think these are new. I think, but I'm not for sure. And they are absolutely cute. They are. Okay, just getting ready for the fall season. And they have glasses too. So yeah, then all of the spooky. Okay, this is cute, especially if you're making a little like a book or a journal or a gift. Maybe you want to create your own gift bag. Ah, look at these. These are cute. But I'm not really into this spooky stuff, even though I like vampire movies. And I do love to draw this because I do know how. I was asked to do it one day and I was able to. And ever since then, I was like, just let me keep trying. But these are kind of cute, huh? Look at this. Wow. That's different. But I'm more so into the, fall season type of vibe, not so much the spooky. I think it's like really for kids or whatever. Look at the chains. Those are pretty cool. Okay, these are too. Do they glow in the dark? But I know, I think these really, yep, glow in the dark. That's not bad for $1, you know? Not so bad. So there are a variety of things here. It's like just use your own creativity and come up with something. Wow, look at this. Look at all this glitter, right? Look at that. Candy selection. Oh, no cavities, no cavities. Look at all this sweet. These are pretty good. And you know what? They're not too bad on calories. Okay, so yeah. Oh my goodness, who remember these? No, these are the ones. These are the ones right here. It's something about these vanilla ones. Oh my god, they're so good. And then here is the rest of the fall items. Now I do like this. This is pretty cool. Let's get a closer look at it. My heart is on that field. It's pretty cute, right? So if you're a football family, then yeah. And so, oh, look at this one. This is absolutely cute. Look at this one right here. I so want to say I think this is a new find. Well, at least in the Dollar Tree that I frequent. I haven't been in here in a while. Okay, and this one is cute too. Oh, look at this. Be blessed, be thankful. That's pretty decent, right? This is kind of cute. It is substantially heavy too as well. Okay. This is more so my swag. I'm really into the pumpkins and the whole fall season type of thing. Yeah. Okay, let's look at the pumpkins up here. Look at this one. Isn't this a beautiful color? Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. This is a beautiful, beautiful green. Oh, dropped it. Oh, goodness. It is so pretty. And then there's that beautiful pumpkin spice color. Okay, now there are two different color greens as you can see. Okay, which one do you like? Okay, now that I adjusted the color a bit, but which one do you like? Which one? And then look at this faux leather one. Look at this. This is absolutely stinking cute. Yeah, these are cute too. I like these. Let's look at these over here. A llama. Our family's gathering place. Sit long. Oops. Sit long and talk much and laugh often. So cute. Okay, so this is like their little decorative area. So, yes, I don't need anything from out of this section, so I'm getting ready to move along. Alrighty, I think this is where it's gonna conclude. Oh no, first let's go look in the makeup section. Lastly, I'm about to pay for these things, and then when we see each other again, it will be a haul. I'm like, well, let's look at the lashes. Yeah. Okay. They're pretty decent, right? Right. They're kind of long, but they're pretty decent. Well, I don't really see too much. They have like this muted nude color lipstick. I don't think anything is really new in this section. Maybe these here. Okay. But otherwise, no. And then they have the replacement pumas for the feet. Yeah, so that pretty much is it in this section. So, like I said, I'll see you all on the haul. All right, beautiful people, I am back from the store. So let's get into the haul real quickly. So I end up picking up some biscuits, some Jim Beam coffee, which I'm going to try. I think that's a new find. I have some banana nut muffins that I need to put in the oven, of course. And then I did get the Nora brand rice. I have some Alfredo sauce. I'm going to try that chocolate milk. And I also end up getting some moon pies socks there. So, okay, oral care, yes, very important. And on this particular day, I had just came back from the dentist and I have no cavities. Thank goodness. I am so grateful. Yes, yes, yes. So I want to try that little affordable oral care kit there. Okay, yes, just put on your happy face and smile. Okay, no matter what. So I have those pickers there. So yeah, that was very affordable. Everything, I think I only spent about $40, $48 in there that particular day. I had some fabric softener by Suavitel and some socks. Okay, and they went up to a size 14. I was like, oh my goodness. From an 8 to a 14, I was like, whoo, that's not my size foot, but you know what I'm saying? I just went ahead and grabbed them. And I did pick up two Puma stones. Okay. So yeah. So on that fall day, run you a warm a bath. Okay. Get your Pumice stone and just do some self-care. Why not? Okay. So here are the cute fall decor items. Okay, I must admit they are stepping it up. Okay, this looks like it's worth more than $1. I was like, wait a minute, is this the right price? So I really, really like the font that's on that particular hanging there, that cute little decorative item. Oh my goodness, I'll find somewhere it could stand it up or hang it on the wall. Got those two pumpkins there. So, 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 so cute. Yes, I love it. And of course I couldn't pass. I had to pick up that mug. Okay, put me some hot cocoa, some hot chocolate, or some coffee, or better yet, some tea. So yeah, this is all that I picked up. It is so cute. Isn't that cute? I was like, oh my goodness. It just stuck out and it grabbed my eye because who doesn't like a good peach cobbler? Okay, some type of little pastry during the fall season. Look out the window, it's raining. Oh, it's just the whole vibe. Yes. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, yummy, yummy. Okay, what I was trying to do was get that skin darkened. Okay, on the other side. It fell off a little bit, but that's okay. Okay. And then over here, that came from the Dollar Tree. I had some parchment paper, and those are the biscuits. Ooh, yum. Time to eat.